Hello everybody, I hope you guys must be doing great, and here I'm back to work on the Brainly application again. Sorry, I will be working on it for half an hour more and then I'll be getting the things done. And let's continue without any further delay. But before that, just got a comment. Let's even check that thing out. And this is how we'll be simply going. I hope you guys must be okay. I'm audible properly. What is this all about? ये फुल स्टैक डेवलपर सीख जाऊंगा, मैंने वेब डिज़ाइन की ट्रेनिंग ली है और आप ये सीख रहे हो तो सीख जाऊंगा. किसी अच्छे वेब कंप्लीट Okay, by the way, this is what I'm just simply responding from here. किसी अच्छे यूट्यूबर की Alrighty, by the way, let's continue from here on. I just wanted to reply that, as simple as that. And here we are. So I've been busy doing this thing. Let's keep it here. And the other thing is gonna be on the right side or something. This one. Let's keep it here. Come on. So yeah, what was I working on? I working on my. Okay, this is still there. Come on. Never mind. Let's click on this. Let's go to this profile page, and this is like this name and okay, change password. I should be able to change the password, and as soon as I click on change password, I should be able to get the what model on top of it, right? Steam's current bit rate is this is lower than recommendation. What can I do? Forget about that. Okay, so this is the change password button, and I want to have my change password over here. So for that thing I need to have a model. I already have profile model. That means I have to just turn it on. Okay, for turning it on I need to have this I need to give it this key over there. That's right. So what to do? Let's do one thing. As soon as I click on this class name and not content, actually that is gonna be on click handle what should the name be? Handle change password model. How am I handling it in the navbar? Let's go here, and I have my add content over here, that is handle add content. As soon as I click on this, I just get the model and then I add the model in on. Okay, got it. Same thing I have to do over here. Why some things are extra over here, let's remove them. This one, these ones, this one too. By the way, let's go back here and handle change password. I'll have to create a function for that. So let's create a function over here. Const handle change password, and that's gonna be something like this. What is the next thing that I can do over here? Handle change password will be simply handling the password change, that is right. And some things I'll be simply copying and pasting from there, because again things are exactly the same, so why not? Control C, that's gonna be profile, paste it over here, and it's gonna be add no, what is the key for it? The ID, model ID is this, and this model ID goes to profile and gets set over here, right? So ultimately I'm calling that only. So if I go here, go to my profile, go to at the top, and just simply replace this particular thing with that. So profile change password, and I'm just simply turning it on. Reload the page. If I just click on this model appears, and then I can just simply go with the things. I can close it too. When this model appears, add your node. First of all, let's make some changes inside this. So this is the profile model that I have, and inside this what should the title be? The title should be change your password, as simple as that. So this is the title that I have, and then enter password. These are the text inputs that I have. By the way, they should be password inputs anyway, so let's even name them better, or let's create another password input. So if I go here, if I go to components, and inside components, if I go to my profile, inside my profile, not even profile, I go to models. Okay, then I have my profile. Inside my profile I have this much, and not only that, I need to have some extra things. And one more thing, these I have content model over here, and these input boxes I'm getting from where? Content not here, auth. Okay, so I'm getting the input box from here. Auth form is okay, auth page is okay, but tags input, text input, types input, they are related to this. As for the inputs, where should I keep them? Especially when it comes to those inputs, they should be inside the model only, because they are being used inside the model, so they should be inside the model, right? But they are being used inside the auth form. Auth form itself is using that model. That's okay, let them be there. And or I can do one thing, that I will be creating inputs for them. Content I have, yeah, it can be done too like that way. Where should I keep it? I'm gonna be creating one more input, and where should I keep that input? That is gonna be the part of the profile, so why not keep it inside this? And by the way, I have this content over here. These inputs are for what? These inputs are for, okay, so I have text inputs. Let's do one thing. Inside components, I will be creating another folder. That folder's name is gonna be inputs, and inside that I will keep all my inputs. What are those inputs? The first one is tags input. Let's keep it inside the input folder. I have text input. Let's keep it inside this. I have types input. Let's keep it inside this. So this thing is done. Then auth form, this thing is done. Embed, I have these embeds, and these are the inputs that I have. Model, inside that I have my profile, content. Oh sorry, I didn't see that. Where to learn the full stack? I'm in third year, 6th semester. What to learn as fast as possible, as I'm also doing DSA. Will you have enough time to learn it? Because as you are doing DSA right now, so it's going to be hard to manage both the things. So either complete one thing at a time. So either learn web development or learn DSA. If you are learning both, in my case I'm learning many things, because I have all the day. So if you have all the day to learn, then only learn 2 things at a time, or more than that. If you do not have enough time, because if you are learning web development, then daily minimum you will have to give it 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours minimum I'm talking about. That means if you are learning DSA and web development, that means around 6 to 7 hours minimum you can say you will have to give. If you have this much, yes, I have full day, then go ahead. Like there are playlist like Code with Harry. He has actually has the playlist on YouTube, and there are some other YouTubers. Simply follow that playlist and you will get the idea. It's not like you will have to learn a lot. Just get the idea and then start building the things. Should I go with the MERN or Python? Go with MERN. If you don't know anything, if you are just starting out, go with MERN, because over there you will have to learn JavaScript. JavaScript will be used for front end as well as back end. And if you go with Python, then you will have to learn JavaScript for front end, because anyhow JavaScript is the language that is used for front end. So if you are going with Python, still you are learning JavaScript. So let's go with MERN. You will learn JavaScript and you will use it in both the sides, but front end as well as back end. It's gonna be like that. But yeah, start it as soon as possible. These are the inputs that I have, and profile, model, text input. Okay, thank you for advice. You're welcome. Let me know if there's anything I can help with. Okay, I'm gonna be creating one more input over here. Control C, Control V, and that's gonna be password input. So password input. And also any guidance regarding internship, as I have no project. You will have to create the projects. I don't have any internship at all too. I'm creating the projects, right? The same thing you will have to do. Password input. This is the password input. And what is this anyway? what kind of input is this? Is this tags input or what? Let's get rid of this. I don't want a tag input, rather I want the text input to convert it like that. So control CV and then make it password input, password input.tsx, and over here the type is going to be password for sure, password. And not only that, apart from that particular thing, especially when it comes to inputs, so I don't think this is the right way. Why? There should be something else that I'm missing. If that is a password, then I should be able to say this is fine. Okay, I'm gonna be okay with that too. So this is gonna be the password. I will be giving it the name, so it will have that particular name. That's okay. I will have the placeholder. It will be having that placeholder. I'll be giving it class name. Class name will be applied. Okay, that I already have. Value. Okay, on change. Okay, and required. That's fine. So this is the password input that I have. Let's change the name, and that's gonna be password input. As simple as that. Once I have it, that is it. I don't need to change anything. And over here, inside my profile model, instead of using text input, I will be using password input. Password input. I'm simply gonna be getting it from there. Same here. Control C, Control V. So I'm actually using password input. In that case, value is gonna be null for now. I will not even be giving it. Will I be? I need to give it the value anyway. Title on change and this okay. And same thing is happening over here. And then I have buttons. Let's change the placeholder first of all. Enter the old password, something like this, and over here enter the new password. As simple as that. I will be just entering both of them, and then I will be just saving it over here, right? Or better, change password. Profile buttons, the name is going to be change password. So this is how it's gonna be going on, and as soon as I click on it, the password should be changed. Okay, what is the next thing that I can do? As soon as this thing is done, then I have to go to my profile, and I have to get the values of these two, and then I have to check whether they are the same or not. So over here, const old password and set old password, or not like this even. How about I have to start from 0. Start that, don't worry. There are lots of sources right now, so don't need to worry about it. It's all about starting. Are you able to give that much time? Because you can easily learn. There are so many free resources out there. You can easily learn. It's all about are you able to give that much time and effort. And this is gonna be payload. Which payload? Password change payload. So password payload. No. Change password payload. So content const change password payload. The name is too big, but okay. Change password payload. Password payload. Let's make it password payload. Password payload. This name is not good. Let's take the help of AI to get a good name. If I am changing my password using old password, what what should 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 be the name of the variable that or payload that contains both. I have not. Oh, that's problematic. I have not laptop. Still, I can. Bro, buy any second-hand laptop. Spend 5,000 rupees at least. Minimum 5,000. You can buy second-hand computer. If you go to market, you can buy really bare minimum computer 5 to 10,000 rupees. At least this much money you will have to spend. Unfortunately, yeah, it's not possible without a laptop or a computer. Name, change password, use a payload object and something like change password or current password. name of the variable, name of the use state that contains new password and old password. Just I'm worried about this name. Naming should be right. If naming is not right, then that's of course problematic. So I need to make sure that the name that I'm using, that is really good. And whether I take the help of AI in the logic or not, I will definitely take the help of AI in passwords, set passwords. Well, this is not bad actually. Yeah, wow, amazing. So the current password, old password, current password. कहाँ से start करो, कहाँ से start करो भाई, कहाँ से start करना है? तो start करने के लिए तो आप सबसे पहले तो you will have to buy a computer for sure. Go to market and buy any second-hand computer for 5 to 10,000 rupees. That's it, not more than that. Initially, when you are starting, and after that you can just watch the videos on YouTube. YouTube पे वीडियो देख सकते हो. And like बहुत सारी प्लेलिस्ट है जो पहले से बनी हुई है, तो उन वीडियो को देखकर आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. एंड देन pretty much good to go. Use state, current पासवर्ड. इनिशियली यही कर सकते हो, आगे चल के पता चल जाएगा कि पेड कोर्स की तरफ ही जाना है कि नहीं जाना है. बहुत सारे आई मीन पेड कोर्सेज का भी वहाँ पर ऑप्शन है. इट्स नॉट लाइक ओनली फ्री सोर्सेज आर देयर. करंट पासवर्ड एंड न्यू, लेट्स मेक इट ओल्ड पासवर्ड. old password and then new password, something like this. Any recommendations? Recommendations simple bro, you will have to buy कंप्यूटर. बाकी कोर्स तो मिल जाएंगे, कोर्स के बारे में ज़्यादा टेंशन हो. 200-300 रुपये के कोर्स आपको यूडमी में मिल जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. चैनल पे कोड विद हरी का चैनल फॉलो कर सकते हो, वो पहले से ही कंप्लीटेड है. एंड यू विल गेट द बेसिक नॉलेज. देन उसके बाद एक बार थोड़ा बेसिक सीख लिया, उसके बाद किसी की भी प्रोजेक्ट को फॉलो करो. मेन प्रॉब्लम आती है बेसिक सीखने पे. किसी भी चैनल से बेसिक सीख लो, फिर किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट को बनाओ, चलेगा. यू कैन वॉच एनी वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब आफ्टर दैट. ओल्ड पासवर्ड, न्यू पासवर्ड. Once I have this, then what I can do? On handle change password. What is the name of it? Not like this, not like this, not like this. Handle change, it will get the event. That's gonna be which kind of event it will be getting. Input element, and that's gonna be a change element, change event. So change event on HTML input element. Once I got that, then const, I will be getting my name and value from there. Name and value from there. Once I got my name and value, use name value event dot target. I will be getting both. Then set passwords, and once I got my passwords, then I will get the previous passwords from here, and I'll return an object that will contain all the previous passwords. And name is going to be equals to value, as simple as that. I started many times actually, but due to lack of laptop, I stuck all the time. Yeah, that's right, that is important. Laptop is a must. Laptop or computer, doesn't matter what you have, but you will have to spend some money for that. Anyhow, without that, don't even start, you will fail. And when handle change happens, let's give it this value, this value. So it's just simply getting the handle change. I'm getting the event over there. I'm just simply setting it here, and this is how it gets done. So handle change, once I got the value, what will I be doing? Then I have to handle the submit. Okay, I got my values from here, so I will be sending password and set passwords, right? That's right. So let's do one thing. Passwords are gonna be equals to passwords. Your main focus should be how you can get a laptop or PC, whatever. Just normal, you don't have to spend a lot of money. just normal laptop or normal computer, just for 10,000 rupees. You can spend 10,000, right? Max 10,000. That's it. Set passwords. But yeah, you can get that. Sometimes even it gets hard to spend even 10,000 rupees. So it depends on your financial situation. Passwords. Set passwords. Type of passwords is gonna, oh, I'll have to create the type. Okay, let's create the type for now. I'm inside what? I'm inside profile right now. So when it comes to the types for profile slash passwords dot type dot ts. Bro, tell me something. How can I learn? I don't know, bro. I mean, I have no idea about learning. I am myself not learning it and like earning any money. So how can I even tell you anyway and all? You had just better figure out. But the simplest way is just simply go somewhere and earn. But again, as a student, that's not possible for you. So I don't know what is your financial situation, but I have no idea about earning things. I've never gone even out to work. Sorry for that. Interface. Export interface. Passwords. It will have old password. That's gonna be type of string. It will have new password. New type of string. The time I got like my PC because of my dad, he helped me just buy one. In your case, just I hope you will figure out some ways. Passwords is gonna be passwords set passwords dispatch set state action passwords. Alrighty, so this is almost done. Type, I've defined the types. Once this thing is done, what is the next thing that I have to do? The next thing is that as soon as I click on it, that's gonna be handle submit. So handle save password, something like this. Let's create that over here. Const handle save password. I have to just simply save my password over here. That's great. What can I do for this? When it comes to saving the password, that simply means I'll have to make a request to the database. Okay, this is gonna be like this. Const is loading, set is loading, and that's gonna be use state false for now. Then set is loading is gonna be true over here. Try catch block. Okay, and what now? And I will be using finally block too. Set is loading is gonna be false. We'll be doing something here, even just CLG CER error or error changing the password. I'm from village, so here the electricity is also a problem. So what the CPU? That's right. I'm also from village and I get it. This problem is here. So you will have to just go with the laptop. That is a compulsory thing, unfortunately. Okay, but now I have to change my password. I have to send a request. Const. Let's use access over here. Last time I used like what? So last time I used fetch. Response is gonna be equals to await. Again I have to make it async. Await Axios import dot what. Let's go to postman. Whenever I'm changing my password, over here I have to send a post request with this particular URL. Where are you from? I'm from Madhya Pradesh, Satna. Do you know that? Post backend URL slash this. So I will be changing the password like this. And not only that, once I've sent this, then I have to send the body. Ultimately data is gonna be what? Data is gonna be the passwords and all, and then the configuration. Inside my configuration, credentials, with credentials, that's gonna be true. And headers I have to send. Headers are gonna be content type, and that's gonna be application slash this. Okay, so ultimately I'm sending a request. Once the request goes there, even here I have to check properly. Error something like this. But even before this I have, what is this? It is loading that. I wanted to make it false actually. I have to check the type of the error. So if Axios dot is Axios error, the error that I already have, and error dot response actually exists. No bro, I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Neither I went anywhere outside my state. I know, I have some friends from Uttar Pradesh, by the way, UP. Post dot. Maybe someday I will be visiting Uttar Pradesh very soon. Not very soon, but someday definitely. Error instance, not like that. Error dot response dot data dot message. Okay, this thing is done, and I have to return from here like this. And at the end of the day, I'll toast dot error. That's gonna be error instance of, if that is the error, in that case error dot message, otherwise stringify the error, and something like this. Okay, done. So I'm getting my response. Okay, once I got my response, then I have to check my response. So even if I'm not wrong, I'll get response dot data. So I'll check if response dot data dot success. In that case, I have to do something. If that's not equals to success, then I have to do something. At the end, what I can do that toast dot success, and that's gonna be a response. Let's make it result. Const data is gonna be equals to response dot data dot data. That's it. The data that I got, so success is gonna be equals to let's make it result. So ultimately result dot success, and result, I cut it from there. Result dot message. Done. And over here I'll do the same. At the end of the day I will be getting my result for sure. So here result dot message. Alrighty, so this is what I'm doing over here. I need to do more stuff over here. If there is an error, I'm simply letting the user know that okay, there is a error. If it succeeded, then what? If it actually succeeded, password changes successfully. That's it, I don't need to do anything. It should be fine. So this is how I'm changing the password. Is loading that I already have here, so I will be just using it over here. is loading, in that case do one thing, I have to, in that case if is loading, in that case show this text, otherwise show this. Okay, so if is loading, so changing the password, changing password, something like this, and you should not be able to click on that. Old password is required, yeah, that's right, I know that. And changing password, and this should be not clickable, so disable this button if is loading, as simple as that. And I have to give it some design as well, like design in the sense style to this. Control X, some conditional style, and oh, seriously, let's paste it here. This much is done, and now it's time to give it some conditional style, and that's gonna be like this. If is loading, in that case I have to give it some extra style. That's extra style is gonna be what? Extra style, disable cursor none, cursor none, I think this should be fine, cursor none. And what else? Opacity gonna be 75. Yeah, 75. It's gonna be like that. Let's see how it's gonna be going on. There can be a lot of improvement. That is something that I already know that. Let's see, and let's click on change password. I'm getting the old password to enter. The old password is gonna be what? Let's enter any. What the hell? Even this thing is not working. Input is not working right now. Set passwords. Set passwords. These are the ones. Okay. As soon as save is done, this particular thing is done. Set passwords. Old password is gonna be empty, and new password is also going to be empty. Happy go lucky. Okay, after that let's get rid of this particular part from here. Control X. So ultimately I've removed everything. Let's go to the content, not this. Close everything. So many things at the same time. Collapse, front end, source, pages, profile. Okay, and error, if there's any error, right? I'm not really using that. I can even check this thing, that if there is any error, if error exists, in that case return a div with that particular error. Forget about the design and all. I'm not worried about design much, especially for the things that will happen rarely. Later I will customize them the best way possible. And what is the next thing that I can do? Next thing is the handle password change that appears. Let's go to that model that I have here. This is the model, and why do I have it over here? Remove it. Okay, then I'm getting my user. What is the use of user over here? This is the profile page. No, this is not the profile page. This is the profile model. What is the use of user here? I mean, any special use of it? Old password. How will you get the old password? Okay, I don't need the user here anyway. I can get rid of this. I just need the model ID so that I can give that ID to the model. That's enough. Close this, get rid of it. And as for profile model, I wasn't even sending the user. Okay, this thing is done. Handle changes, I have to fix it. Handle change, the value that I get, I'm assigning to this. I have passwords. Yo, how are you, Zohab? Glad to see you here after so long. I hope you are doing great. Passwords dot old password and passwords dot new password. This time it should work. Click on this. Old password is required. I'm not able to enter the values. Okay, interesting. I'm fine. What about you? I'm doing great too. Getting closer to just getting this project done. Handle change. This is just the password, right? Can't I do it like this? Const name and values. CLG name and value. Let's try this thing out. What is the issue? Link type. Forget about that. Let's click on this. Enter the values. I'm getting the values. Okay. Password. Title. Wow. Title. Damn, this project is taking forever. It's not like it is taking forever. I'm giving it forever. Link. I'm not focusing on it completely. Like sometimes I work on it, sometimes I don't work on it. So yeah, many things are going simultaneously. That's fine. But I'm happy with this as well. I'm getting enough time. I'm not forced to complete it within the date, so I can give it my all slowly. But okay. At the end of the day, one day or the other, it will be completed. Not really worried about the completion. Name is gonna be old password, and this is gonna be new password. Let's try it now. Change it. But this is one of my favorite projects where I'm actually able to just do anything. Great. Okay, let's try to change the password right now. So old password is gonna be anything, new password is gonna be anything. Change it. Title is not allowed. Are you crazy? Title is not allowed. Title is not allowed. ये कहाँ से आ रहा है भाई? Let's see exactly what I get there. Crazy stuff. ये title वाला मैंने copy paste किया था code, and that is why I'm getting it over here. Let's see. Old password, new password, change the password. As soon as I invalid current password. हाँ, this is a good error. Like जो current invalid current password. Invalid current password. The name of should be the current password then. कोई ना. अभी तो name तो I can change that anytime. Let's give it the right password. The right password is what? Password 123, and the old password was the new password that I'm gonna be making. That is password 1234. Okay, change it. User password changed successfully. Congratulations. Let's try it. Log out from here. Try to log in. Password 123, just old password. It is saying that invalid email and password. That means we successfully changed the password. What else could be better than this? Let's enter the new password that we have changed. Password 1234, and guess what? We are able to log in. That's okay. This extra thing, link type, where am I getting it from? Line number 17 of types input.tsx. Types input types input.tsx, line number 17. किधर गई line number 17? Here it is. Get rid of this thing first of all. Anything else extra that I'm getting over here? Reload the page. Okay, get started. Go here, go to profile, and change password is working. Let's make it current password and new password. It's gonna be fine. Let's change the names a little bit. Naming convention should be right. Profile, current password, Control C, paste. Go here and passwords. Passwords. Are you gonna rebuild this project? No, I'm actually building it the last time. This project is not going to be rebuilt because I'm making it from my own side. It is not like I'm taking the help of somebody. I'm making it from my own side, so I will not rebuild it. If I'm taking the help of a teacher, then I'm building it. At that time, I would rebuild it, but not now. Anything else? Old password, new password, current password. Okay, so far so good. Let's try this thing out. I reload the page. Okay, I can log out directly from here. I can log out from here as well. Having said that, I can change the password. Okay, Something is missing for sure. I missed something somewhere. Profile model. What am I missing? Let's try it. Thank God this is something that exists. Old password is still there. That means the name I have to change. This name, current password. Okay. If the console thing was not there, I would have gone. Where is the error? So thank God we have something called console over here. We can just log the bug. Change it. Password 1234 and a new pass. And let's not give the right password and let's give it anything over here. Change it. Old password is required. Now it is giving me old password is required. Are you crazy? Where is this error coming from? Like, old password is required. Whenever I click on handle change, let's check this thing out. What next project are you gonna build after this? There is a project that I'm already working, that is a true feedback using Next.js auth. So mainly I want to learn about next auth, so that is why I'm building that project. Of course, following the Hitesh Chaudhary's playlist on YouTube, and there is a to-do application using 10 stack query, React queries and all. So I'm still working on that too. And these two things are going on right now. Mainly the focus is on these two. That's it, nothing else. Two projects I'm working apart from this using Next.js. One of them is using lots of state management libraries. One of them is using the Next.js auth and all. So pretty good stuff. Learning right now. One thing. Profile model buttons, handle password. Okay. This is the message that I'm showing over here, right? Let's see exactly what I get from the backend. CLG result. Gonna be great. Okay, I'm not even checking whether the passwords are same or not. Come on, how can I even do that? But never mind. Close this, reload the page, change the password, F12. Okay, current password, this password, this. Okay, this is what I got from there. What is the message request bed? Okay, response dot data dot message. Old password is required. So even on backend side, I'm using old password. Seriously? Never mind. Let's go with that then. Let's go with that format. If I'm using old password on the backend side as well, so why not do the same over here? Okay, old password. Let's make it old password now. Sorry. Just a sec. If I had current password, I got current password initially. So why am I getting it now? Don't know. I mean, let's see. This things are fine here in this page. Let's change it from the top. Old password, and old password. Nothing else. Let's check this thing out. Reload the page. Change password. Enter anything. Password must be at least 6 characters. Acha ji. Okay. Is that not? Password must be at least 6 characters. Something is missing for sure. Old password is here. Old password is here. I'm saving it too. Okay, fine. Let's go to this profile. Passwords, okay. Over here I got the password, and things seem to be okay. There's nothing seems to be wrong, but okay, let's try this thing out. What is happening? Old password, fine. New password, that's also fine. Change it. Okay, getting invalid current password. Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. So what? This is the error that I'm actually getting from the backend, and that's fine. I can give it the right password, and that's gonna be password 1234, and then the new password is going to be password 1234. No, just 3. Change the password. Updated password changes successfully. Whatever. All the messages are coming from the backend side, of course. Okay, what is the next thing? The next thing is that as soon as I changed my password, right? I entered my password and as soon as I change that, this does not close, so I have to close this thing too. That means if I want to close the model, when I'm handling password change, if that succeeds at that time, what do I have to do? I have to do something, that is for sure. What do I have to do? I have to close this. Hi, how are you? Ranjan Kumar, right? What can I do? Simple thing. I have to close this. Okay, I have to close this. How can I close this? I have already named it button. Okay. Why I have two buttons over here? Let's remove one. This is the one that I have, and anything happening? Nothing. As soon as I click on this close button, it closes that. That's great. The same I want over here. Handle password save. There is no close button as such. As soon as I click on this, it should be closed. This is the form already. Dialog button. One click simply handles it. What do you prefer more मन or next years for building FullStack projects? अभी तो हमसे मन ही आती है. It's like I know FullStack well, so I'm quite okay with that. But it is not like I'm not okay with Next.js. I'm learning that. So as long as you don't know well, so you are not quite sure, right? You will be able to build the projects and all. So it's like I'm learning Next.js right now. It has lots of amazing features. It makes our way really short, gets the thing really fast. That is amazing. But the thing is that once I have learned Next.js, then I would definitely choose Next.js to build any project. But right now, if as long as I don't know, I had better go with Mud because I know everything over there, and here things are new for me. So it's like that. But just within a month, I will have learned Next.js really well, and at that time it will not be hard. One thing. As soon as I click on change password, it doesn't click on close, it goes away. Okay. Click on change password, it doesn't go away. Why? Click on change password, it doesn't go away. If I get another button just like this, what will happen? It still closes. That's amazing. That's what I want. So what is the difference between these two buttons? Disable. Okay, it gets disabled. Is that so? Let's get rid of this. Okay bro, I gotta go. Alright then, take care and see you. Yeah, definitely see ya. Please call this. Okay, it gets closed right now. The thing is that this was the problem, that I was actually making it disabled. So let's not make it disabled. Let's simply go with this. That means I don't even need to give it the styling and all. So let's get rid of this styling, and this is going to work fine. Even I don't need this because it simply closes. So change password is gonna be enough for me. If it didn't close, then I would be giving it. But as it closes, bye bye. Take care and keep up the good work. If it were not getting closed, then I would have, worry about the transition and all. But right now I don't have to worry about that. That simply means that I can remove this loading use step that I have. That's right. That simply means I can just remove this particular thing from here, and I can finally remove this thing from here with the finally block too. Done. अभी तो हो गया. अब देखते हैं. Okay, change password, whatever, whether that is right or wrong, that doesn't really matter. Click on password and invalid current input, invalid current password. That's great. Let's click on this again. One more thing. The thing is that as soon as I handle the password, at the end of the day, whether that is invalid or not, that doesn't matter. I have to reset that. So in that case, I have a finally block 2 at the end. Let's keep it here in the finally block. What is the problem? Problems are not. There are many problems. Let's have finally block here, over here. Now let's try it again. This. Check it. It's empty again. Invalid current password. That's all right. Let's enter password 123 and 1 6. password 1234, enter, change password, invalid, they are, I'm not able to enter my password, PASSWORD 123, similarly PASSWORD 1234, change. I entered password 123 and I entered password 1234. What is the password 1234 by default? Don't know. One more thing, yeah, before even checking this particular thing, but I have to do that over here. Whenever I'm trying to handle it, I will check if not passwords dot old password or not passwords dot new password. Crazy, new password in that particular situation, simply return from here. And what do you have to return? That is going to be a div. Is this going to be a div? Really? Are you sure? Can't actually return it from here. Let's return a toast, not a div. Toast dot error. That's gonna be all the FIELD fields are required, and I will be returning from here. As simple as that. So this particular thing is done. And one more thing, if passwords that I have dot old password, if it's not equals to passwords dot new password, in that case what will I be doing? A simple thing, toast toast dot error, passwords must match or passwords don't match, do not match. As simple as that. Let's return from here as well. It's gonna be just like this. So these are the two conditions that I have over here, and that is it. Let's try this thing out. Change the password. It's simply saying all the fields are required. That's amazing. One more thing, I can make them required, can't I? Profile model. These inputs, password input must be required. That is already required. Got that? That password input is already required. Great job. If that's already required, then I'm happy with that. Okay, it still remains there. That's bad. I'm checking it here, right? When I'm actually checking them, profile model buttons, I'm checking them here. That's okay. After checking them, I have to reset that, or don't I have to reset that? Interesting. Do I have to reset that? If the passwords are not provided, then that's okay. I have to reset them in both the cases. That means this content is going to be copied now. Amazing. Control C. Again, it's going to be pasted many times. I'm sorry for that. But over here, as well as over here, it needs to get this thing done. Reload the page. Just enter anything, change it. All the fields are recorded. That's gone. Password 1234 and PASSWORD password 123. Change the password. Password do not match. Password matching thing. How did this thing? Sorry, bad logic. How are the passwords supposed to match? Just one thing. It was my bad. I just thought of authentication where both the passwords will match. Here they should not match. And let's click on this. Password 1234 and password 123. Change it. invalid current password. Current password is invalid. Wow. So word 1 2 3 and word 1 2 3 4. Save it. Updated user password changes successfully. Dhanyavad. We have done that. We can log out from here as well. Even this functionality I have to work on. This is already done. I can easily add the content and all, and I can log out. I can sign up again, sign in again, log in again, whatever. PAWSWRD 1 2 3 4. Okay. I can go to my get started content, and over here I'm getting all the contents that I have saved so far. And not only that, I can share, but that is not implemented yet. I can add one more content. I can edit the current content by clicking on it. I'm getting the URL and all. I can change the things and all. And not only that, if that is a YouTube video, if I make it a Twitter video, what will I get? Invalid link type. The link type that I have given it, that is invalid. Click here to visit the page. I can still visit the page, but the link type that I have given, that is invalid. So let's make it valid. Let's make it Twitter, because that YouTube, because this is the YouTube link. Save it here, and then I get it here. And not only that, you can actually create the change the types over here. Change the types to articles, so it will actually become an article. So when it comes to video, so it is compulsory that it should belong to only that particular YouTube or Twitter. And when it comes to normal links, so you can convert them. You can make them article. You can make them other. Or in future, I can even add more things. And not only that, you can add like extra tags too. And let's save them. And here, and now I have 2 tags. And you can actually change the title, other topic related. So it's gonna be Notion website, Notion notes, whatever. Let's save it here, and this is how it works. By the way, Notion is gonna be kind of document. Let's save it here, and it becomes document. Not only that, you can log out from here. You can go to profile. This is the normal profile, the simplest profile ever, but it's not bad actually. You can change your password from here. You can log out directly from here. You can go to Brainly, get started, and here you are getting these filters. Okay, if you click on these filters, right now all is selected, so I'm getting all of them. You can select YouTube, and right now you are only getting the YouTube related stuff. And now you can click on it again. You can click on Twitter. This is the Twitter related post. Then documents, I'm getting documents. Article, I'm getting 1 article. Other, I have 2 others. I can add more things, like I can go to YouTube. I can select any video. Suppose this is the video.
I was one of those guys who believe
okay, this is the video. I copied the link. What is the name? Love. Okay, love life. Let's add this. So get started. Add content from here as well. The title is gonna be love life. Whatever, love life. Link is gonna be this. Type is gonna be YouTube, and tag love life. Love life, as many as you want. There's no limitation. Add it. And here that has been created, but as the type is the type is other, that is why you are not getting that. Click on all, you will get that. I have to even work on this. Like as soon as I add the content, the type should reset. I will add it. By the way, you are getting it here automatically. And these are the things you are getting. You can even change it. You can change the title. You can link and all. You can do everything. And if you click on YouTube, only those 4 things now you are getting. So this is the link saver. Like you can just copy paste the links, and you can format them the best way possible. You can just add them. You can even filter them. And even from here, you can just simply watch the video and all. So this is how we still have to work on many things. Remaining features are this share button. I should be able to share. I should be able to change the theme, dark and light. And one more feature, that is, I think that's done. I should have a content button over here, like in the middle or something, so that I can just go to this particular page. And the next feature is that as soon as I actually go to my home page and then I come back here again, this should change. Like it remains the same. I don't want it. So in order to do that, what I want, that as soon as I click on this link, get started, and I come here, at that time I have to reset that. Okay, let's do that. Close everything. So many things in front of me right now. What I can do, that I was on my contents page. So that is the content page that I was on. Inside that I have my cards. Inside my cards I have cards. Whatever, I have these things. What should be over here? Let's go to the sidebar. And what I want, that as soon as this content page reloads, is this gonna work this way? I don't think so. Like even if it renders, how that's gonna change? Let's see. So what I want that const use effect. I'm not sure whether it's gonna work or not, but I can at least give it a try. I'm gonna be creating a use effect that's gonna have no dependency at all, or I have to give it a dependency, and I will be getting const use contents. I will be getting set filters over here. Set filters. I got set filter, and I will be using that set filter over here. So set filter is gonna be all. Will this work or not? Let's see. Suppose I have selected article over here. I went to my home page. I came back here again, and guess what? It worked. It as soon as the page re-rendered, it made it back to all, and that's what I wanted. Great job. Use effect, amazing. And one more thing, I can go to my YouTube. I'm getting all the stuff related to YouTube. Then I can actually add a content. Let's try this thing. And whenever the filter that I have, that will be back to all. Anything. Let's keep it anything. Title is gonna be anything. Come on, yeah. Can't I use caps lock? I can. Anything. Link is gonna be this. Let's get something from Twitter. I will try to add LinkedIn as well. Like LinkedIn, that's not added yet. Let's get anything from here. I hope I will not get any copyright strike. Please forgive me for that. I don't have any intention. Elon Musk. Let's do it.
Absolutely.
Okay, copy the link just from here. That's it. Don't really need to do anything. Then paste the link over here. Let's name it Elon Musk, whatever. And the type is the Twitter. And Elon, Tesla, not must. Let's उसे हटा देते हैं. Must को हटाओ. Musk, M-U-S-K. And just add it, and you got that. But the thing is that even if you change that, it's not getting refreshed. Interesting. If I go to my article page, sorry, Twitter, I'm getting that. That's good. But the thing is that as soon as I changed that, okay, ultimately what is getting rendered at that time? This particular thing. So how about using the same thing, not here, get rid of all these things, but rather cards here. Set filter, Control X, and paste it here. Get rid of this. Will it work? Not sure. But the thing is that over here I'm getting my cards. I'm getting my filtered contents, and they are changing, so it should change. But I want that whenever the filter content changes, filtered contents. Let's see. This time again, it will run whenever the filtered contents changes at that time. And let's try this thing out. First of all, let's go to the not there. Let's select documents. YouTube. As soon as I select YouTube, filter content changes. That means it will be problematic. Yeah, that will be problematic. Let's get rid of this. Let's click on YouTube. Okay, getting it. Let's click on document, getting it. Let's go to the home page. Let's come back. I'm getting the whole thing. That is good. The another thing is that if I try to add some content, anything, link is gonna be just any link. Any link means what? Any link means any video. And let's simply copy the link, Control C, and here paste the link, Twitter, anything, not really needed. Click on add, and it worked. Or did I think it worked? I don't know. This is not good. Let's remove it from here. And let's click on one of my videos. Copy the link. Let's get this one. I used to make these videos earlier. Wow, long time ago, kind of 2 years ago. So coming back to this, not this. And one more thing, as soon as I hover over it, this moves. I don't want this sidebar to move, so I'll have to fix it. I'll have to fix the nav bar. I'll have to fix the sidebar. But okay, that will be done, not a big deal. But I clicked on YouTube. Okay, I tried to add something. YouTube, edit, and it worked. It did not work actually. We are just getting the result over here. That means okay, it doesn't get refreshed. That means the title keeps getting selected. Can I do it forcefully? Yes, let's do that. So this is okay over here. Like whenever I just add the content, at that time I have to reset the filter. If I want to do that, adding the content, when I'm adding the content, I'm adding the content inside this model. Whether I'm editing the content or adding the content, should it be even fine? Which one is better way? I can add it. I mean, I can set the filter easily whenever I edit. But is this gonna be okay? When I'm editing it, when I'm editing any post, it is not okay. But when I'm adding it, it is okay. So model, and whenever I'm adding that, handle change, not handle change. I have content model buttons, and over here I'm adding the things over here. Let's flash this one, go to the add part, and if that succeeds at that time, over here when I'm adding, at that time I have to set a filter. Am I getting it here? No. I'll have to import it. So where am I going to import it from? I will be importing it from use contents. Const. Again, what is use contents? That is just the provider that I'm here. That's gonna be use contents, something like this. What will I be getting from here? I will be getting set a filter. Once I got that, I will be using this over here. Set filter, and that's gonna be all. Let's try this thing out now. So suppose reload the page. I'm just simply editing it right now. I'm on my Twitter page. Okay, I'm editing it. So let's edit this one. I mean, making it like a Twitter video. It will the filter will not change. So it is still here. What the hell? Save it. Now this save is not working. कोई ना देख लेंगे अभी के लिए. Why is this not working? Insane. If I go to my, this is insane actually. Let's go this Twitter. Reload the page. Okay, that's okay. It comes back here. Twitter and Twitter video. Save it. Request never goes or what? What is this? New error. Congratulations. So this is the Twitter video that I have. If I click on this, if I change the title, video, let's save it, and it did not change. Rather, I'm getting this error. What is this? Invalid hook calls. The hooks can only be called inside the body of the function component. This समस्या क्या है आपकी? Use contents. Use contents. Contents model. Contents model buttons. Yeah, I changed many things, so it could be because of that. But what is the main reason? Invalid hook call. Hooks can only be called inside the body of the function component. This could happen for one of the following reasons, and you might be breaking the rules. Okay. Am I sending the network like a request? Let's check that. Anything? Save it. No request goes. Interesting. No request goes. So what am I missing over here? Let's go to Twitter and all. And I cannot change the title of anything if I'm not wrong. This YouTube video. Save it. Yeah, not able to do that. Question. Why? Debugging karo bhai. Know the reason behind this. Earlier it was working fine. Then I made some changes and then it's not working now. Simple thing. Add is working. Let's get rid of this. Second thing is this. Edit contents. this is not working. Okay, I'm editing the content over here. First of all, toast dot whatever message editing. This is the one. Let's try this thing. As soon as I click on edit, at that time it should happen. Click on this, save it. I did not even get the toast. Wow, interesting. This is never getting called. Okay, that means edit button never triggers this. Use contents. Am I using it again? Yeah, I am. Set filter. Control C, get rid of this and use it over here. Is this fine? Yeah. Contents that I'm actually getting. Am I not using the contents over here? Not really now anymore. Get rid of it. And now it's fine. Let's try this thing out now. Anything? Save it. Well, it worked. The thing is that I was getting the set filter the wrong way. Okay. So what I wanted to do, let's go here. Let's go to the YouTube only. And if I changed it, my YouTube video, save it here, and it worked. Okay, when we edit, we are not changing the set filter, like the filter is still YouTube. Okay, but when we add something, suppose I'm adding the content over here, and that's gonna be video, title for video, whatever, and come on, yeah, at least I can type in set filter link of the video. I'll do it tomorrow. I have many videos. Why am I taking other videos? Like I have my own. I paste it over here. Let's give it YouTube. Talk to AI. Just one tag and edit. And guess what? The filter got reset. We are resetting the filter when we are adding something, and we are not resetting the filter. If suppose I'm inside Twitter, I can say Twitter video. I will not reset the filter when I'm actually just editing that Twitter video. Enter it, and guess what? This time it did not reset. How cool thing this is! This is amazing. And one more thing, I have many posts. So if I scroll down, at that time what happens that first of all this goes up. So I need to fix it, and I need to fix this. I need to fix this thing, my thumbnail, my navbar. So let's fix them. First one is the navbar. Let's fix the navbar. How can I fix that? Let's go to navbar. Where is navbar? Navbar must be inside a components, navbar. How can I fix this? Okay, so this is the navbar body. How about if I just simply directly make it fixed? What will happen? Something will definitely happen. पूरे डिजाइन ही चली गई. I mean, seriously. What is the height of the navbar? The height of the navbar is इसको तो दोबारा डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा यार. कोई ना, करते हैं. Fixed. Insert 0. How about this? Insert 0, that means top 0 कर दो भाई. Sorry. Insert x0. Why नहीं? So it is there. Click on get started. Z index. Z is gonna be 10, and let's make it 10. Why not? How about the color? You are not giving any color. So BG is gonna be white. Let's try this thing right now. And one more thing, you have to give it Z1, whatever, index 10, 1 doesn't matter. It's here. And the width, margin top. What is gonna take margin? Margin will be for the content. As simple as that. So let's go to the content. Inside content you have not this. Margin, cards I have, sidebar I have. Let's give it margin. So class name margin. Cards. all the cards, they are gonna have some margin. Okay, margin top, that's gonna be 10 for now. Let's see. So it looks like this. I need to give them more margin. Let's make it 16. Sorry, not 17, 16. And a little more margin, just a little. Just a little. Let's make it 20 around. And guess what? It is looking pretty well. I'm able to scroll up and down, but the thing is that this nav bar is not going anywhere. The same thing with this. It is just running here and there. I need to fix it first of all. It will have a... Okay, let's fix it. First of all, let's go to the sidebar. Content, sidebar. First of all, this is also going to be fixed though. So let's make it fixed. All this fixed though. Arey yaar, fixed though. Okay, then top 3 minus. दिखता कैसे है? It's there. And let's make it a top से तो रहेगा ये around 16 के आसपास. Let's see how it looks like now. So it's here, and guess what? It remains there. Click on this. It's here. It remains there, and that is what I wanted. Amazing stuff. I like it. I can select YouTube. It's gone, and I'm getting all the videos of YouTube. I can click on this. I can click on documents. And not only that, I can click on all, I can go below, and then even then if I want to just do that, I can do that. So this is how it's going on, and it's actually amazing, seriously. Okay, nice. Let's go to the home page, and lastly I'm gonna log out. I have created this beautiful, I don't know whether this is beautiful or not, but I have created this page today. I have to work on this edit button so that I'm able to change my name and email. But the thing is that when I'm changing my email, at that time I'll have to send a confirmation code to my Gmail. So for that functionality I will be getting done tomorrow. That was it in today's live actually, and now it's what time is it? 3:15. It's time to learn about next auth. I will be working on a project over there too, that is true feedback. Anybody can message anybody. It's like that within 5 kilometers and all. I'm gonna be catching up soon. Just within 10 minutes I'll be back. Until then, take care, bye bye, and let's log out with this new button that we have created. Just like this. Let's go to the home page, and that was it. I'm gonna be catching up soon. Take care and have a great day ahead.